I think the revelations that have appeared in the newspaper and particularly in a very prominent English daily, they appear to be quite serious on the face of it. And if this is the state of affairs in the city's government, with the law minister himself, who is a lawyer by profession, first misbehaving with the law secretary, pressurizing him to call a meeting of all the judges of the High Court, etc. And now this fresh evidence appearing against him of having tampered an evidence in a particular case while he was in Patiala House Court, and that too also having been endorsed by the judge of the court. I think it certainly demands, it's not because I am a BJP man I have to do that. I think the city demands resignation of this minister. He has no right to be the law minister of the capital of India. And if Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has been talking of probity in public life, is talking of high moral grounds and all that, he should be the first one to sack his first minister immediately.
ये जो एक मामला था, ये एक सरकारी कर्मचारी पर था, जिसको बचाने के लिए आज के कानून मंत्री और वकील सोमनाथ भारती ने सबूतों के साथ छेड़छाड़ की, गवाहों को टेलीफोन किया और इसके अंदर, केस के अंदर दखलंदाजी करके केस को प्रभावित करने की कोशिश की। ऐसा स्पेशल जज सीबीआई ने कहा जी।